So we made it to Lake Havasu. Here is, yeah, I sound like I'm all happy, but let me tell you, I was a bit of a, you know what, I think I'll say a biatch on our trip. Anyways, there is Kim and Ollie, Gail and Ken, and the dog is allowed over on this side where it's not the white sand. That's what I can tell you. So there's Ollie. You know, Ollie loves his water. He loves his swims. The drive in here was absolutely stunning. So we couldn't get a campsite with the full amenities, which is fine. We are actually very excited about what we got. We are doing their overflow, and their overflow is just like boondocking, but they do have portable water, and they have a dump station. They have showers and washroom facility, and all included in your $25 fee. We are very happy with that. Very, very happy. So stay tuned, some adventures from Lake Havasu. Today was quite warm actually, so I think the weather is going to change and be a little cooler with some rain maybe tomorrow. But you know what? That's okay. We can make our own fun. Walked to the London Bridge area. It's a little windy again today. Seems to be the story of our trip here, but it is beautiful, really nice. It's comfortable, and Ollie has been desperate. He wants in that water so bad. We've tried, we've offered it to him a few times, but he wants off the leash. That's not happening. Kim's taken over the walking. Very neat. There's one of the little tiki bars that you can take out on the water. That should be on the bucket list right there. We saw that on a show that we watched, so we might inquire about it. So cool. Anyways, London Bridge, that's actually what we're here for, is to see the London Bridge. There it is. I don't even know where we are. It's very loud, but we have a special treat for Ollie. We got doggy order of ice cream. It's so cool, and they've been so super sweet for our puppy. So there's Ollie. He's sitting so nicely. He's like, oh yeah, ice cream. That's delicious. Yeah. There we go. Lucky Ollie. So cute. Okay, everybody got their meals and Ollie's now getting his. And there we go.
I have an order for a dog.
Yummy. Look at Ollie go. Lucky guy. As Ollie's eating that, just check out our meals here. There's the jumbo shrimp. The Tuesday special is the cheeseburger, like holy cow. Look at that. Okay, and Ollie's on a break. And so are we. Time to eat.
Lake Havasu State Park, and today was supposed to be a rainy day, but it's been pretty good and on and off. So just to give you a little peek of what's going on here, we do have some weather warnings happening. This is absolutely stunning though. Weather warnings not so much, so you're about to see. So there are some flood flash warnings that are happening for the city. There is a tornado warning happening for the Needles area. It's pretty dark, as you can see. We've seen a little bit of lightning, but other than that, it's just kind of trying to move past. So pretty incredible.
Okay, so that storm definitely has hit. We had an incredible amount of wind. People are running everywhere, gathering stuff, trying to secure their rigs, tents, whatever they've got. Things were blowing everywhere. We've actually pulled our slide in. We've pulled everything except for our stairs because it's not possible. Yeah, we're just kind of sitting here. It's hard to maybe see. There was white caps actually on Lake Havasu. I don't know if you can see that out there, but I know the sky looks nice there, but it is not nice. Yeah, it is something out there. So we're just gonna ride it out for a little bit and then we should be good. And tomorrow's gonna be beautiful. So we're really looking forward to that. And that was Kim's head. And yeah, Ollie's down there somewhere. Where is he? There he is. Ollie the chocolate lab. There he is. Yeah, this is just crazy. I don't know if you can see out there. I know there's the screen, so it kind of hinders the view a bit, but if you could only see what we can see with Lake Havasu, well, that was lightning. You would see the white caps on this lake. It's absolutely crazy. The sky, like as you saw in that video, was just like black. And so like I said, there was a tornado warning, but it was in the Needles area. So I say that like as if I know exactly where that is compared to where we are, but that's what I know. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're just riding out right now. You can see a little bit of those clouds up there. We're just kind of waiting. There's people over there that are in some kind of really neat camper, but it was just blowing around, so they had a bunch of people helping them. Anyways, so I feel pretty fortunate. You know, Kim and I are safe. We're in our rig. We've got everything secure to the best of our ability, and yeah, this is kind of what we're doing right now on a, I don't know what day it is, Wednesday afternoon.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Anyways, so Lake Havasu, and it is still an amazing place, just riding out a little storm. There we go. Oh. I mean, storms are cool for sure. I think I feel, a little different if I was in a house. Not in a trailer.
Oh my, look over here. You gotta look up. The sun is setting.
All right, let's see on this side. See what's happening on this side.
No, you gotta come over here.
Okay. Kim says I have to come over here. Oh, well, isn't that beautiful? Oh, there's the sun just peeking out over there. It's hard to see with that screen, but look at that. Sun's setting right there. And on the other side is a storm.
And look out here. Look how clear it is over there.
And then if we go to our back window, there's no screen there, by the way. That's the view you want. It looks like this. It's raining, but it's clear. Wow. I don't know if you can see that sun back there behind that little Class C or whatever that is. I don't know, actually. That's a trailer on top of a truck, so I'm not really sure. Huh. Getting the best of all worlds right now. But the storm on this side has not let up. It is still flashing. Still flashing. Look at that. Just keeps hitting the same areas. So when Kim went back onto the weather network, it said there were no more warnings, so that's a good sign. We're just dealing with a storm. Yep, so we're still in the trailer. It is just, it's pissing rain. That's all there is to it. It is, yeah, it's one of the first, I think, lightning storms that we've had. Most of the storms we've had have been basically wind, which is not okay. Like, that's still scary. But yeah, this is kind of funny because you can see across the Lake Havasu, that looks beautiful. And on our side, we are batting down the hatches and just kind of riding it out. As you can probably hear the rain, I think. Kim's doing her thing. I think she's on the phone. Yeah, there she is there on the phone. I'm hanging out on the couch. Ollie is down there. Where is he? There's Oliver doing his thing. Yeah. Anyways, if it clears up, we're gonna have an outdoor fire. Why not, right?
So anyways, this will be the last video of this little storm. I think that's enough. And yeah, I hope everybody else is staying safe. So I have the Trust Me burger, and it has peanut butter, jelly, vanilla ice cream, bacon, and a ½ pound of meat, which you know I'm not going to eat. But we're going to give it a go because it said trust me. And these are garlic parm fries, delicious. And then we've got a veggie burger over here, the Impossible Veggie Burger. And then we have, what is that?
Pulled pork tacos.
Pulled pork tacos. And then we've got over here,
It's the Cool Breeze.
Cool Breeze. That's the chicken.
It's the chicken one.
Nice.
Teriyaki chicken.
I thought you were too.
Woo! Okay, here we go. Trust me. Hey, I don't even know how this. Oh, and peanut butter. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like when things gush. And jelly. Oh my god. And jelly.
Do the hunch.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Don't bite the ice cream. Bite a different spot.
That's pretty good. Hell yeah. It's really good.
Is it really good?
It's ridiculous. You want to try it?
Oh, you have to try it.
Damn.